Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming compatibility and choosing wired or wireless CarPlay. You must have an updated iPhone, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi enabled, or a good lightning cable for wired mode. Once the car is in accessory or run mode, open the Toyota Infotainment Settings General Apple CarPlay to start pairing. You do this now to let the head unit scan. This step is critical because the system grants permission only when the vehicle is powered and the screen is active. Once done with power and settings, proceed to pairing. For wireless CarPlay, open iPhone Bluetooth, tap the Corolla Cross entry, and match the pairing code shown on both screens. Confirm to authorize CarPlay. For a wired connection, plug the lightning cable into the correct USB port and allow the infotainment to detect the phone. Make sure to accept permissions for contacts and messages on both devices. This lets Siri and apps function properly and prevents repeated prompts during future connections. You finish by using the CarPlay interface. Launch Maps, make a call, and play audio to verify success. If something fails, first restart your iPhone and the Corolla Cross infotainment. This clears temporary glitches. If wired CarPlay still doesn't work, swap the lightning cable or try another USB port. Low-quality cables often prevent data transfer. As a key troubleshooting tip, forget the vehicle in iPhone Bluetooth and the car's paired devices. Then repair from scratch to clear corrupted pairings and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.